Good morning to all my dear students and welcome to Zoology online class. In the previously under that is the chapter reproduction, I have completed the male reproductive system, then the female reproductive system. Then after I had completed that is the gametogenesis. Under the gametogenesis, that is the spermiogenesis through which the sperms are formed. Haploid sperms are formed. Then after that is under the oogenesis, the haploid ova are produced. So that is the first phase of the sexual reproduction has been completed. Then I have completed under reproductive phase, that is the menstrual cycle. Then let me, that is the start today, that is called as the fertilization. That is today I will start, that is the fertilization. The fertilization, so first of all, we should know what is fertilization. Fertilization ta kon ame janiba. Fertilization is a process by which the haploid sperm fuses with the haploid ovum to form, that is the diploid zygote. To form the diploid zygote, it is called as the fertilization. The process by which the haploid sperm fuses with the haploid ovum to form the diploid zygote is called as the fertilization. So that process is called as the fertilization. That means, जो process रे, जो प्रणाली रे, sperm ovum सहित मिसिकी, that is the जुग्मज तैयारी करछि, that is a 2N. This is a haploid and this is haploid. It will forms the diploid zygote. जुग्मज এই process टाको कुहागला, that is the fertilization. So, and that process was first, that is this idea was the first, that is introduced by the Leeuwenhoek. That is the scientist Leeuwenhoek. In the year of, that is the 1800, that is the 1683. In the year of, that is the 1683, that is the scientist Leeuwenhoek first, that is gave the idea about the fertilization, So the fertilization is a process by which the haploid sperm fuses the haploid ovum to form the diploid zygote is called as the fertilization. जो प्रणाली रे sperm ovum सहित मिसिकी जुग्मज तैयारी करिवो, diploid जुग्मज तैयारी करिवो, that is called as the fertilization. That process is called as the fertilization. And it was first, that idea was first introduced by the scientist Leeuwenhoek, So first of all, that is where the fertilization takes place. The fertilization always occurs in the liquid medium, That is fertilization mainly of two types. One is external fertilization, another is internal fertilization. Gote dehar bahare hobo, a gote dehar bhitire hobo. Dehar bahare hela, that is external fertilization, and dehar bhitire hela, that is called as the internal fertilization. Hobo mane the process or jo process re di jona jako milito hebe ba misi jibe seita kuagala fertilization. Jodi eta bahare hobo, that is external fertilization. Jodi eta body bhitire hue, sadharanto in the female body hue, tale eta ko kuhajibo internal fertilization. So anyhow, that is fertilization always occurs in the liquid medium or fluid medium. That is the fluid medium or the liquid medium. That is the external fertilization when it occurs externally, or when it occurs outside the body, it is called as the external fertilization. It occurs in the water. That is I have told you, it occurs always in the fluid medium. That is Either it occurs in water or when it is internal. When the fertilization is internal, then it occurs in intrasomatic body fluid. Intrasomatic body fluids. Intrasomatic body fluid means intra means within, somatic means body. That is body bhitre jo fluid tari bhitre eta hobo, that is intrasomatic body fluid. Then another thing is that is the that is the water is of two types. One is fresh water, another is the marine water. In fresh water, when the fertilization occurs in the fresh water, at the time of fertilization, actually first the ova are deposited in the water by the female, then after the male produces the spermatozoa or the semen over it, then the fertilization is occurred. So the time interval between the discharge of the ova and the sperm is also variable. Jodi eta fresh water re हुए, ए मधुर जल रे एटा हुए, ताहले ये कोन हबो ना egg deposit हबार संगे संगे sperm गुडा को male द्वारा deposit हबो for the fertilization. Otherwise, why? Because the gamete cannot exist for a longer time, that is in the fresh water. That means the time interval or the gap between the discharge of the ova and the sperm is very short. That is the time interval between the deposition of the ova and the sperm by the male, ova by the female, and the sperm by the male. The time interval is very short. That means because that is the gametes are not, that is the exist, or the gamete cannot persist inside the fresh water for a longer period. Then after, if it is marine water, then this gap may extend from few weeks to many months, because in marine water, because in the marine water or the sea water provides the suitable environment for the survival of the gametes. The sea water provides the suitable medium for the existence or for the survival of the gametes. So, in case of the fresh water, the gap is very less. So, immediately after the discharge of the ova, the sperms are discharged by the male. But in case of the marine water, or in case of when the fertilization occurs in the marine, at that times that interval may extend from few weeks to many or 2 months. That means that environment will not destroyed very quickly into the gametes. So anyhow, then after, in case of the human beings, the fertilization is occur within 24 hours. Because in case of the female, though after the ovulation, you know the ovulation, that is the discharge of the ova from the ovary, that process is called as the ovulation. It occurs, I have told you in the next, that is the previous class, that is it occurs in the 14th day or midday of the menstrual cycle. It is occurred in 14th day. And it can persist or it can live up to 3 days or 72 hours. But the fertilization is occurred within first 24 hours. So within that is the sperm should beat it or the fertilization should occur. Otherwise, the fertilization cannot occur. So anyway, this is the time interval between the discharge of the male gamete and female gamete. In case of the fresh water, that is the time interval should be short, and in case of the marine, it may be prolonged, but in case of the human beings, it should within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. Otherwise, that is the fertilization cannot occur. Besides, that is the number of sperms in comparison to the ova are maximum. In case of the human beings, that is 20 millions of the sperms per cc. That is less than 20 millions of the sperm per cc is unable to fertilize the egg. That is, the number of sperm should be more in comparison to the number of eggs. Then after, that is, then after the fertilization, is species specific. Tamane, a particular species between the egg and ovum of a particular species fertilize to each other, or the fertilization is occurred within a same species. That is why, because that is in case of the sperm and in case of the ovum, there are some chemical substances are activated during the fertilization. The ovum secretes a chemical substance known as the fertilizin. Similarly, the sperm secretes another is called as the anti-fertilizin. The fertilizin and anti-fertilizin reacts each other like the antibody and antigen, or the lock and key, that is the theory of the enzyme action. So, that reaction will be perfect one if they are of same species. If they are of same species. If they are of different species, then the reaction will not occur and the fertilization will never done. So, in this way, that is the fertilization is species specific. Tamane bujhala je sperm gote substance secrete hue fertilization bele, that is called as the anti-fertilizin. Ovum gote chemical secrete haba, that is called as the fertilizin. A fertilizin or anti-fertilizin dita chemical substance reaction kale sperm ta ovum saito lagi ki rohibo, tapare further reaction koribo. Jodi ei reaction ta kimiti hobo na, jodi semana same species heitibe tane seiti chemical substance dita tanko bhitare reaction koribo. Jodi of a different that is the jodi semana different, that is the species hebe tale tanko bhitare e chemical reaction hobo nai, ki fertilization will not occur. Then after, that is, this is another thing is that each fertilizin of the female, each molecules of the fertilizin of the female having so many active sites to react with the sperm, or that is the molecules have more than active groups, that is more than one active group. So, one fertilizin can, that is, attach with a number of sperm, because that molecule having, that is, many active sites, or many, that is the active site, or that is called as the, that is the active groups. So, that is one molecules of the fertilizin can attract a large number of sperm. So, anyway, that is, this is all about the introduction of the fertilization. So, fertilization is a process by which the male haploid male gamete fuses with the haploid female gamete to form the diploid zygote. Then after you come to the types of fertilization. Then you come to the, that is the types of fertilization. The types of fertilization. That is, the type of fertilization is of different types or is variable depending upon different, that is the source. What is that? First, that is the type of the fertilization can be divided into two groups depending upon the site of fertilization. The site of fertilization, that means कोठी fertilization टा होउची तेणु एटा को दी भाग करा गला. One is external fertilization and the second one is called as the internal fertilization. That is the external fertilization and internal fertilization. जदि एटा बॉडी रो बाहर हुए, that means water, then एटा को आगला external fertilization. एटा कोठी होची ना in case of the fish and in case of the frog, in case etc. एटा होची external fertilization. साधारणतः एटा को बॉडिया रे हबो बा समुद्र रे हबो एला नदी रे हबो, that is called as the external fertilization. Fertilization means that is the fusion of male gamete and female gamete to produce the zygote. जदि एटा बॉडी रो बाहर हला, then it is called as the external fertilization. It generally occurs in fish and frog. Simiti, that is, if it occurs, if that type of fusion occurs inside the body of the mother, then it is called as the internal fertilization. जदि मारो बॉडी भीतर एटा हला स्पर्म आ ओवम दीटा मिलित हेले ताने एटा को कहला internal fertilization. एटा केइटे हबो ना एटा birds, that is the birds रे हबो, and all mammals including man, all mammals including man, dog, cat, that is elephant, etc. That is, it is called as the external fertilization and internal fertilization, and this group has been, that is occurred depending upon the site of fertilization. Then you come to the another one, that is the number of sperm, that is the depending upon the entry of a number of sperm into the egg. The fertilization is of two types. One is monospermic, another is polyspermic. One is monospermic, another is polyspermic. One is monospermic, then another is polyspermic. Monospermic means जदि एग भितर को गुटिया स्पर्म एंट्री कला आ सेटा ही फर्टिलाइज कला, that is called as the monospermic. That is when a single sperm enters into the ovum and it fuses with the nucleus of the ovum, then it is called as the monospermic. जदि गुटिया स्पर्म एग भितर को पसिला आ सेटा ही मिसिला, then that is called as the monospermic. It occurs in case of the male, frog, etc. That is, it occurs mainly in the microlecithal eggs or the mesolecithal eggs, that is. But polyspermic, where a number of sperm enters, when more than one sperm enters into the ovum, but only one fertilizes, only one mix with the nucleus of only one sperm mixes with the nucleus of the ovum, that is called as the polyspermic. That is called as the polyspermic. Eta kouthi hobo na in macrolecithal or that is the in macrolecithal or polylecithal egg, where the egg contains a large amount of yolk. Then at that times a number of more than one sperm enters into the egg. Only one fuses with the nucleus and other are degenerated inside the egg. That is called as the polyspermic. It occurs in the birds and reptiles. The birds and reptiles. In birds and reptiles, the eggs are that is the polylecithal or macrolecithal, where the polyspermic fertilization is occurred. Are you understanding me or not? That is the monospermic and polyspermic. Monospermic means mono means single, poly means many. Mono means only one sperm enters into the ovum. That is called as the monospermic. Polyspermic, poly means many, many sperm enters, more than one sperm enter into the ovum, then it is called as the polyspermic. Then you come to the, that is on the basis of the, that is the participation of the that is the number of, that is the participation of the parents, that is called, it is of two types. It is of two types. That is, it is on the basis of number of parents involved in fertilization. On the basis of the number of parents involved in fertilization. It is again of two types. One is self-fertilization and the second one is called as the cross-fertilization. the self-fertilization, and the another one is called as the self-fertilization. Self-fertilization means if the sperm and the ova and the ovum are produced from a single individual, and when this type of that is the gametes fuses to each other, at that type of fertilization is called as the self-fertilization. तामाने स्पर्म आ ओवम जणिक कतुर तयारी होउछि बा जणे प्रोड्यूस करछि स्पर्म भी ओवम भी एगुडा ए इंडिविजुअल गुडा साधारणतः बाइसेक्सुअल ए इंडिविजुअल माने होचंती बाइसेक्सुअल एज द अर्थवर्म एक्सेट्रा इन सेठी मैक्सिमम टाइम रे एटा कोन हबो सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन हबो सेल्फ फर्टिलाइजेशन मींस द स्पर्म एंड ओवा आर प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम ए सिंगल इंडिविजुअल that is called as that individual must be bisexual, that is the self fertilization is occurring. Then you come to the cross fertilization. Cross fertilization now when the sperm and ova are produced from different parents jodi sperm ta male kotru gota hala female kotru ovum ta habo, that means the individual must be unisexual. एटा बाइसेक्सुअल भी हबो रेयर केस रे एटा दैट इज द पेरेंट मस्ट बी द यूनिसेक्सुअल एटा बाइसेक्सुअल हबो केतळे हबो ना जदी बाइसेक्सुअल ता प्रोटोएंड्रस बा प्रोटोगाइनस हबो प्रोटोएंड्रस और प्रोटोएंड्रस और प्रोटोगाइनस प्रोटो मींस फर्स्ट androsium it is a botanical term. Androsium means male reproductive organ, gynecium means female reproductive organ, protoandrous means though the individual is bisexual or hermaphrodite but the male reproductive organs are matured first and it produces the sperm first, then that is the protogynous. In this case the female produces the egg first. So before the production that bisexual means जनक देहरु दीटा तयारी हो स्पर्म भी तयारी हो ओवम भी तयारी हो जदि से इंडिविजुअल ता आगे स्पर्म तयारी कला परे जाई कि बहुत दिन परे जाई कि ओवम तयारी करिवो ताने सेटी आउ फर्टिलाइजेशन हेई परिवो नै जतले स्पर्म ता एज आगुर हे गला सेटा बुढा हे गला बळकु ये ओवम ता सेतला कोन थिवो ना कम एज रे थिवो तेनु ता भितरे एटा फर्टिलाइजेशन हेई परिवो नाही तो स्पर्म ता नष्ट हेई थिवो तेनु सिमिति प्रोटोगाइनस रे फीमेल ता matured habo female reproductive organ ta matured habo age se age ovum ta tiyari karibo. So in this way that is bisexual individual jodi heithibo seti bi cross fertilization habo jodi se individual goda either protoandrous heithibo kimba protogynous heithibo. So this is all about the types of the fertilization. Then you come to the mechanisms of the fertilization. This is the types of fertilization. The types of fertilization is variable depending upon the site of fertilization and that is the number of sperm enters into the ovum and that is the parent participate in that is the fertilization. According to them there are two types. One is self fertilization, that is first is external fertilization, internal fertilization. Second is monospermic and polyspermic, and third one is called as the self fertilization and that is the cross fertilization. Then you come to the mechanisms of the fertilization. Mechanisms of fertilization. The mechanisms of the fertilization, it can be studied under that is the four headings. That is first the meeting of gametes. We are concerned about the reproductive systems or fertilization in case of the male. So meeting of gametes means the gametes are produced by two separate individuals. One is from the male and another is from the female. So how they meet to each other, that is called as the meeting of gametes. Then the second one is called as the activation of the sperm. The sperm becomes activate. Then the third one is activation of ovum. of ovum. Then the fourth one is, that is the amphimixis. Amphi means both, mixis means that is मिसिजिबा. That is amphimixis बा एटा को कुआ जिवो fusion of two gamete nuclei. Gamete nuclei. ता माने एठी दी जन gamete रो nucleus दिटा मिसिजिबो. That is called as the amphimixis. Amphi means both, mixis means मिसिजिबा. That is amphi means at the male gamete ro nucleus, female gamete ro nucleus सहित मिसिजिबो. That process is called as the amphimixis. So let me start one by one. First of all, that is the mating of gametes. Mating of gametes. सामान्य कौन कहूची? Gametes किमिति दी जण परस्पर को भेटिबे, that is called as the mating of the gametes. Mating of the gametes. Then first we know that is Jodio ame concerned with the mechanisms of the fertilization in the human beings. Hela, tothapi ame au soito tike jodito heiki ame jauche. So, first of all, in case of that is the external fertilization. In case of the external fertilization, I have told you external fertilization occurs in the fluid medium, that is the water medium. At that times, that is the sperms move at a random inside the water by their lashing movement of the tail. By their vibration of the tail, they move, that is at a random inside the water and collides with the ovum. Because fertilization is an accidental process. There is no attraction between the ovum and sperm. But in certain animals, the sperms are also attracted towards the ovum by a fluid, by a chemical substance secreted by the ovum. And that process is called as the chemotaxis. And under the chemotaxis, and in the chemotaxis, this process is called as the chemotaxis. And that is, it is confined within, that is, limited animals. For example, Campanularia. That is, for example, Campanularia. It is an example of the chemotaxis where the sperms are attracted towards the ovum by the influence of the chemical substances which is secreted by the ovum itself. That is called as the chemotaxis. Otherwise, the fertilization is a random process, fertilization is an accidental process, and the sperms are moving, that is at a random, and if the egg collides it with the sperm, then the fertilization can occur. Otherwise, the egg will be, that is, spoiled. So, जदि सेमिति न होउथांता, जदि अट्रैक्शन थांता, ताले सबु बुइताळु फुल गुडाक बुइताळु होंता हला. तेनु सबु दैट इज जते फुल माई फुल होउची बुइताळु सबु गुडाक फल रे परिणत होंता. कारण फर्टिलाइजेशन मेक्स द एग फ्रूटफुल. जदि फर्टिलाइजेशन हबो से एगटा फल रे परिणत हबो बा फ्रूटफुल हबो. जदि फर्टिलाइजेशन न हबो सेटा नष्ट हेई जीवो. तो द another thing is in case of the internal fertilization, से कहूची कौन ना जेतबेले एटा that is the sperm and ova collides to each other, at that times the fertilizing the chemical substance of the egg and anti-fertilizing the chemical substance of the ovum become reactive. Jateli fertilizing of ovum and anti-fertilizing of the sperm become reactive, and they react with each other as a result of which the sperm and that is the ova are agglutination, or the agglutination is occurred. That means the sperm udaka ovum saita lagi ki roibe further. In case of the internal fertilization, it is all about the external fertilization. So what happens about the internal fertilization? In case of the internal fertilization, that is a male that is produces about 3 to 5 ml of semen in the vagina of the female which is closer at the top of the vagina of the female, which is that is just nearer to the cervix, which is just nearer to the cervix. That is here, that is at the time of copulation, male ejaculates, that is about 3 to 5 ml of semen at the, that is the top of the vaginal tube, which is, that is closer to the cervix. And that process is called as the insemination. Insemination. That is, under the insemination, one male produces about 20 to 40 millions of the sperm. That is male produce about 20 to 40 millions of the sperms in the vaginal tract. Then that is at that times, that is the vaginal, or that is the tube, as well as the cervix, that is, it becomes moist, it remains moist. And that is here, the sperm moves, or the sperm proceeds to the, that is towards the site of the fertilization, by their active lashing movement of the tail, as well as by the sucking action of the uterus as well as the oviduct, which assists the movement of the sperm, or which that is helps for the movement of sperm, that is towards the site of the fertilization. The fertilization is occurred in the man in the oviduct. At the region of the isthmus, at the region of the junction between isthmus and the ampulla, that is ampullary isthmus junction, actually inside the oviduct where the fertilization is occurring. So that is the sperm केमिति मूव करूची, तार टेल सहित मूव करूची, ता सहित सही समय रे that is the uterus and oviduct, they are contracting and relaxing, and it creates a suctionic pump, or it is suctionic pressure जोटा क्रिएट करूची से स्पर्म गुडा को शूट कला बेले, सुकिंग कला बेले टाणी की ऊपर आडी की नहीं जाउची. केमिति शूटिंग करूची ना, एटा दुईटा हार्मोन काम करूची, गोटे होची ऑक्सीटोसिन आ गोटे होची पोस्टग्लैंडिलिन. ऑक्सीटोसिन ता केतळ सिक्रेट होउची जतळे कॉपुलेशन होउची, सेतळे फीमेल रो दैट इज द पिट्यूटरी सिक्रेट होउची ऑक्सीटोसिन. से कोन करची, यूट्राइन वॉल आ ओविडक्ट को कंट्रैक्ट रिलैक्स करिवारे सहाय्य करची. आ प्रोस्टाग्लैंडिलिन हार्मोन जोटा अछि सीमेन रे, ये भी सही दीटा को दैट इज कंट्रैक्ट एंड रिलैक्स करिवारे सहाय्य करची, जादरे स्पर्म ता दैट इज प्रोसीड करची. ए जो स्पर्म प्रोसीड करूची केते स्पीड रे ना, अबाउट that is केते स्पीड रे जाउची ना, अबाउट 1.5 to 3 millimeter per minute एई भेटे प्रोसीड करिवो. आ एठी पहुंचे वाला त केते समय लागिवो ना, 5 to 6 hours, at least 5 to 6 hours it takes to that is reach that is at the side of fertilization, किंतु वर्तमान जतले एठी डिपॉजिट हला केते ना 20 ରୁ 40 मिलियन एठी डिपॉजिट हला, किंतु सेठी जाई की पहुंचला बेल को मात्र 100 ରୁ किछि हजार पर्यंत पहुंचबे, आउ समस्त नष्ट ही जिबे. काहे की नष्ट हेबे ना, दैट इज crooking path, that means zigzag path of the female genital tract, as well as that is the leukocytes present in the vaginal epithelium, as well as the acidity of the vaginal, that is the canal, that is the causes the death of a large number of spermatozoa. तेणु स्पर्म गुड़ाक एमती मरी जिवे, जाइकी मात्र पहुंचबे केते ना, केते 100 ରୁ केते हजार मात्र पहुंचबे केटी ना, एट द टाइम ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन केतळे पहुंचबे ना, दैट इज आफ्टर, दैट इज और विदिन 5 to 6 आवर तमाने एटी डिपॉजिट हला, ए बाटा देई की सर्विक्स रु यूटरस रु ओविडक्ट को समाने जिबे हला. डी साइड ओविडक्ट को पळे जिबे, किछ असुविधा नाही, किंतु ओभा आसीबो गुटे साइड रु, कारण प्रति मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल रे गुटे साइड रु ही ओभा आसीबो, सेटा सेई बाटा देई की ब्रश करिवो. तेणु एटा चली गला, एटा गोल कोन होउची ना, एमिति प्रोसीड करिके आसीबो. जेतबेले एटा मूव करिके आसीबो, सेतबेले कोन होबो, दैट इज ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी, दैट इज ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द जर्नी, एट दैट टाइम्स द स्पर्म्स become active, and the sperms become active and gains the fertilizing capacity and against the fertilizing capacity. That is, so that is called as the capacitation. That process is called as the capacitation. That is, through the traveling, the sperm becomes capacitated, or the sperm gains the capacity to fertilize. That is called, the process is called as the capacitation. In case of the external fertilization, a capacitation kimiti hobo na, it depends upon the pH and the sodium ions and the pH of the surrounding water. But in case of the human beings, that is the capacitation occurs, that is by the secretion, or when the, that is in the capaciton process, that is over the sperm there is a coating, and that coating is digested or it is destroyed by the secretion of the, that is the female genital tract. Female genital tract ru किछि सब्सटेंस सिक्रेट हबो, जो सब्सटेंस से ए कोटिंग ताकू कोन करिवो, जोटा अछि स्पर्म ऊपरे ताकू कोन करिवो, से रिमूव करिवो. स्पेशली एटा कोट रिमूव करिवो ना ऑन दी, दैट इज एक्रोजोम, जा द्वारा कि एक्रोजोम ता एक्सपोज हे जिवो, तार रिएक्टिव साइट ता एक्सपोज हे जिवो. एक्सपोज हे गले से कोन करिवो ना फर्टिलाइजेशन रे सहाय्य करिवो. हला दिस स्पर्म बिकम्स एक्टिव. आउ फर्टिलाइजेशन ता कोठी होबो, सपोज दिस इज द एग and this is the animal hemisphere. Now this is the animal pole and this half is called as the animal hemisphere. So fertilization occurs in the animal hemisphere, or the sperm enters into the animal hemisphere, in the animal hemisphere just nearer to the animal pole, and it enters into the sperm in perpendicular fashion. It enters. That is, this is the site of the entry of the sperm into the ovum. So at the same time, so in this way, that is, sperm takes about 5 to 6 hours to reach at the site of fertilization, and where only few numbers of sperm, that is 100 to 1000 number of sperm, that are present or reach at the site of fertilization. So this is all about the movement of the sperm. So what is the movement of the ovum? So the movement of the ovum is occurred here. This is the ovary. That is after the ovulation and beating of the, that is the fimbri and the cilia. That is, the ova enters into the, that is the infundibulum through the ostium. Then by the peristalsis movement of the oviduct, सर्पिलगति, it proceeds towards the site of fertilization. एटा आस्ते आस्ते से एडी की जाउची. आगुर कहउतले एटा 12 घंटा 24 घंटा नउची, एटा जाई कि सेठी पहुंचीवा पई. अरे स्पर्म तो आसी के पहुंची गलानी, से केते समय अपेक्षा करियो, 5 रु 6 घंटा आसी के स्पर्म पहुंची गला. तेनु आजिकल रिसर्च कहउची ना विदिन 6 आवर इट रीच एट द साइट ऑफ fertilization. तेनु एठी किमिति गला ना आफ्टर द ओव्युलेशन हेले कोन होची ना एटा सेकेंडरी ओसाइट स्टेज रे जाउची. सेकेंडरी oocyte a stage रे एटा डिस्चार्ज हला. आउ by the beating of the fimbri as well as the cilia, that is, it enters into the infundibulum through the ostia, it enters into the oviduct. आउ oviduct भितरे सर्पिल गति बा पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट देखा होची. एटा जाई कि आउ जो स्पर्म ता प्रथमे पहुंचिला साइट ऑफ द फर्टिलाइजेशन पाखरे, that is called as the lucky sperm. कारण एटा ही पॉसिबल, अन्य माने जाई परिबे नाही ए मनीष केस रे. तापरे दैट इज रिसेंट कहूची. तापरे ताने फर्टिलाइजेशन ता ए 24 घंटा भितरे फर्स्ट 24 आवर्स भितरे हबो, जदियो ओवम ता 3 दिन वेट करूची, दैट इज एलिव हे कि रहूची 72 आवर्स. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द मेटिंग ऑफ द, ता माने एठी स्पर्म ता इनसेमिनेशन परे बा कपुलेशन परे, मेल इनसेमिनेशन परे एटा जाई कि पहुंचला 5 रु 6 घंटा नेला एट द स्पीड ऑफ 1.5 रु 3 मिलीमीटर इन, दैट इज द डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कला पर मिनट जाई के एठी पहुंचला. आउ ओवम आफ्टर द ओव्युलेशन बाय द बीटिंग ऑफ द फिम्बरी एंड सिलिया एटा आसी पहुंचला. फर्टिलाइजेशन कोठी हबो ना ओविडक्ट रे हबो, ओविडक्ट रे हबो. तेनु एठी पहुंचला, दी जण जाक मीट कले. तापरे आमे प्रोसीड करवा केटिकी ना एक्टिवेशन ऑफ स्पर्म एंड एक्टिवेशन इन ओवम इन नेक्स्ट क्लास।